For adding Firebase to your Flutter project, we need a SHA-1 key. And not only this, we require it for various Google Play services so that Google can create OAuth client for our application. There are around 500 plus queries on Stack Overflow on generating these credentials. And not only on Stack Overflow, I've seen people are facing issues in generating these in the comment section of various channels. And so I thought of creating a video where we are going to generate SHA key on macOS on Windows operating system. So let's get started. So at first we will be generating the key on our Windows OS. Before we start, there are some prerequisites for generating on Windows. We should have Android Studio installed and Flutter installed on our OS. Here when I write Flutter, you can see we have Flutter installed on our PC. Now just run this Flutter Doctor command so that we are not provided with any errors later on. Here you will see we are shown with this error Android license not accepted, and also we haven't installed the command line tools. So just open the SDK manager on your Android Studio and there you can see this Android SDK command line tool. Just click on apply and this will download the tool for us. And now when I go to my command line and enter the Flutter Doctor command again, here you can see we have no issues found. We will be generating SHA key using two methods. First method using terminal and the second method using Android Studio. So now in first method, key tool is a package which is provided in Java JDK which will help us create the key store. And with that key store we can generate our SHA-1 and SHA-256 keys. As I don't have this on my PC, so I'll be installing the Java JDK. Just visit this website and here you can see this Windows section, and from here we will select our 64-bit installation. Now just log into your account and the download will start. After you downloaded the package, the next step is to install the package. Now just click on next and this will carry the Java installation on your Windows. Just wait for a while for this to finish. And now as this got installed, what we can do is let me enter key tool in our command line. And here you can see we are provided with this option for creating the key store. First we will be creating the key store using this command which is displayed on your screen. You will get this command in description, so don't have to worry about it. Now here you can see we are providing debug.keystore, which will be the name for our key store, and this key store would be of around 2000 bytes and with a validity of 10,000 days. Now after we enter that command, we are provided with entering all these details. So here you have to enter your name, your city and your country code. And now this will generate a debug.keystore file in your current directory. So we will have to go to that directory to see the file. I'll just go to that directory. And here you can see we have this debug.keystore file. Now you need to copy this file to our Android folder which is present in our current user folder, which is my name. And now you are all set to generate your SHA key. For seeing the key, we have to enter this command and provide our alias name and name of our key store. So you can just enter this command. And yeah, here we have our SHA key. Now in method 2 we'll be generating the signature using Android Studio. So open up any project in Android Studio and just wait for this project to open. And here you can see on the left side we have this Gradle W file, and you have to just right click on this file and open this in terminal. And with this, and as this open up in our terminal, we have to write this command, and with this command we will generate sign in report for our application. And yeah, we are provided with all the signatures like release key store, debug key store, sign in key store, everything. So this was for Android Studio. Now we'll be generating SHA key for our macOS developers. So open up your terminal and you can see we have Flutter installed. Now before going forward, this is the authenticating your client section of Firebase, where you need to paste this command in terminal to generate the key. So let's just try to copy and paste it in our terminal. Okay, here you can see we are provided with this error, key store file not found. So you need to create a key store file first, and then you have to list the key store. For creating the key store file, you should have this key tool command. I already have this, but I don't have Java JDK installed on my PC, so I'll be installing Java JDK for now. Link for downloading the Java JDK is in description, so you can check there. And we'll be proceeding with the installation of Java JDK. And now for creating a key store, we have to enter this command, which will have a key store name as debug.keystore and alias as Android debug key, with validity of 10,000 days and of 2000 bytes. And just enter these details. And after you enter these details, it will generate the key store file in the current directory. So we have to copy it from current directory to our Android folder. And how you can do that is, we'll open up your Finder, and here you have to press Command and up key, and you will be opened with this user folder. And here you have our debug.keystore file. We need to copy this to our Android folder, which is hidden by default. So just press Command Shift and a full stop, and this will show all the hidden files. And inside this Android folder, just paste this debug keystore file. And now you can go to your browser in Google Document and paste this command. And here you can see we have our SHA key. Thanks for watching.